Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. You're watching CID News Network, Islamabad. This is Salwa Shams with today's headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan cautioned that Afghanistan could descend into a civil war if the Taliban fail to form an inclusive government in Afghanistan. Speaking with British national broadcaster, the Premier said if the new setup failed to include all the factions, they will gradually descend into a civil war sooner or later, adding that it would again impact the neighboring countries, especially Pakistan. Khan also added that Pakistan is trying to engage with the Taliban administration for an inclusive Afghan government, as there will not be any long-term sustainable peace and stability unless all factions and ethnic groups are represented. Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan has said that any ban on women's education in Afghanistan would be un-Islamic. In an interview with the BBC, Khan laid out the conditions that would need to be met for Pakistan to formally recognize the new Taliban government. He called for the leadership to be inclusive and to respect human rights. Khan also said Afghanistan should not be used house of terrorists who could threaten Pakistan's security. Last week, the Taliban excluded girls from the secondary schools with only boys and male teachers allowed back. But Pakistani's leader said he believed girls would soon be able to attend. Following the snub from English and New Zealand Cricket Board, Prime Minister Imran Khan will meet Pakistan's T20 World Cup 2021 squad to uplift the self-confidence of players. Reports cited that the meeting of the national squad for the T20 World Cup will be held at 4 p.m. today at Prime Minister's house. PCB Chairman Ramiz Raja will also attend the meeting and will apprise the Prime Minister about his discussions with the heads of cricket boards in England and New Zealand. A trainer aircraft of the Pakistan Air Force crashed near Mardan during a routine training mission. A statement issued from the Air Force stated that a pilot lost his life in the accident as he could not manage to eject in time. Meanwhile, a clip from the crash site shows smoke rising in the air as the aircraft reduced to ashes. Thailand has resumed visa services for Pakistans after restrictions imposed by novel coronavirus. Reports quoting sources said Pakistanis who are willing to travel to the South Asian country can be able to apply for visas as the country revoked all the travel restrictions. A statement issued by the Thailand embassy in Pakistan stated that visa service in Pakistan has been resumed, while the citizens have to spend 14 days in isolation before arrival. As the Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education Mardan has announced the SSC result, a science student of Model High School Nowshera set a record in Pakistan's history by obtaining 1100 marks out of 1100. Reports stated that the Kandil topped the exam and managed to obtain full marks. The girl is an orphan child while her mother is serving as a government school teacher. Speaking at the prize distribution ceremony, she wanted to become a doctor to treat the patients as her father died from cancer. Mardan board chairman also announced a fee waiver for the deserving student to acknowledge her achievement. According to National Command and Operations Center, Pakistan has reported 2,333 new coronavirus infections, while 47 people lost their lives in the last 24 hours. That's all from today's headlines. Keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Thank you.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.